Morning, class 11th. Another important P in marketing mix is price. It is very essential element in the marketing mix. Price is the amount which is to be paid by the buyer in lieu of the goods or services taken by him from the marketeer or from the seller. A price is a very crucial element. A marketeer or a seller has to be very cautious while charging the price of his product from the customer. A slight increase in price may reduce its demand from the market. That's why we have to be very cautious. Though price depends on various factors, that factors we are going to discuss later on. It is always expressed in monetary terms. Prices has its different name according to different situation. Like for education, price is tuition fees. For road tax, price is known as toll tax. Price for job is a salary. Price for apartment is a rent, and price for product is known as its price. It refers to price mix refers to important decision which is relating to fixing the price of the commodity. What price of the commodity we are going to charge. These decision can be related to when we are taking the price decision. We have to see what our competitors are charging the price of their product. We will see what is the demand of our product in the market, and we will see what is the cost of our production. So, these are three main elements which we have to take into account before deciding the price. Now, while deciding the price, what factors has to be kept into mind? These are: number one, pricing objective. What is our objective of price? What is that? It means, does our objective is to increase the sale in the market, that is increase the share leadership. If we want to increase our share in the market in terms of sale, so even we would like to sell our commodity at lower price because our target is to increase the sale. Then there is a more competition in the market. If competition is more, then we have to struggle for surviving. So in order to survive in the market because of more competition, we might have to sell our product by offering discounts. And the third things we have to take into account is, does our objective is to earn more profit? Then we can earn more profit by charging higher price. Or in other words, you can say that, do you want to attain the quality leadership in the market? In order to attain the quality leadership, then definitely the product cost is to be high. So this is the first factor which will be kept into mind while deciding the price of the commodity, that is pricing objective. Next is product cost. What is the cost of production of your product? अर्थात हम अपने जो गुड्स को बना रहे हैं उसको बनाने में हमारी टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी इनकर होती है. As we know, cost can be categorized into fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost occurred on fixed factor of production, and variable cost occurred on the like cost of raw material, wages of labor, etc. The price is fixed after calculating the total cost. In case of high competition and to capture the big share of market, a firm has to keep low price, that is at least variable cost must be occurred, because we know that fixed cost will occur definitely whether there is a production or not. If we want to survive, every businessman would like to think कि at least मेरी variable cost जरूर cover हो जाए. तो if production cost is high, one cannot keep high price, and if production cost is very low, in that case he can increase his price little bit to earn more profit. Next is extent of the competition in the market. What kind of competition we are facing in the market? Is there are more competition? If competitors are more, we cannot charge high price because our competitor may or may not increase the price. In that case, we have to suffer the loss of demand. You can take the example of Pepsi. Then we have like Coca-Cola. These are their competitors, and if Pepsi decreases the price or increases the price, it has to face severe competition from its competitor. Next is customer demand and utility. What is the demand of the customer in the market? If demand is high, we can charge more price, but if demand is low, then you cannot charge more price. And utility, what is the utility of that product for customer? We can say that if demand is inelastic, you can charge a little bit high price, but if demand is elastic, you cannot charge high price. On the other hand, if product is highly demanded, I just told you, then we can charge high price. If product is offering high utility, one can charge easily high price. अगर वो कस्टमर के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रूटफुल है, यूटिलाइजेबल है, तो हम ज़्यादा प्राइस भी चार्ज कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ अनदर फैक्टर which will help in deciding the price of the product in the market, कि what the demand of the consumer is. Next is government rules and regulation, legal regulation. To protect the interest of general public, the government has all the right to control the price of various products and services by bringing the product into essential categories. And those products, when comes into essential commodities categories, then there a government has full right to keep the price under control. Like LPG price cannot be charged much high. When price of essential goods increases, government interferes, and in that case, government keep the price under control. So what are the government rules and regulation? Next point which helps in deciding the price is marketing method used. So in order to increase the sale in the market, to promote the product in the market, what kind of methods are we using? Are we doing more advertisement in the market? What is our channel of distribution? Are we employing salesmen in the market? Are we providing customer support service in the market? More the facility we are giving to the customer, so definitely price of the product will be more. So these were some factors which helps us to decide the price of the product. So this was another element that is known as pricing. After that we have physical distribution, which is not in our syllabus. The next point is promotion. Next P, the fourth P is promotion. First was product, second was pricing, third was physical distribution, and the fourth is promotion. What is the meaning of promotion? Promotion means to increase the sale of your product in the market. Then question arises, how the sales can be increased? This decision is taken under the decision of promotion mix. What is promotion mix? Promotion mix refers to all the decisions related to promotion of the sale of product and services, कि किस प्रकार हम अपने गुड्स की और सर्विसेज की सेल को मार्केट में प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, बढ़ा सकते हैं. द मेन एलिमेंट which may help us to increase the sale or promote our sale is advertisement, then promotional techniques using publicity and public relation. The main promotion mix elements are advertisement, sales promotion, personal selling and public relation. These are four main elements which helps in increase the sale of our product in the market. The first one is advertisement. What is the meaning of advertisement? It is a paid form of non-personal presentation. What is the meaning of non-personal presentation? It means here when we are doing advertisement by any media, then we are not coming into the contact of customer directly. By telling the features of our product, we try to connect with the customer by making small videos or photos or pictures. That is non-personal presentation. It is a paid form, we have to pay for it. Non-personal presentation and promotion of idea, goods or services by an identified sponsor. These advertisement will be done by a sponsor and a recognized company which will do the advertisement of our product in the market. It is an impersonal presentation, just I told you, where a standard or common message regarding the features of the product regarding the availability of the product, regarding the price of the product will be given by the producer to the customer. इस impersonal presentation में प्रोड्यूसर जो है अपने प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स को बताता है, उसकी प्राइस को बताता है, उसकी क्वालिटीज़ को बताता है. द एडवर्टीजमेंट builds pull effect as advertising tries to pull the product by directly appealing to the customer. जो एडवर्टीजमेंट है वो एडवर्टीजमेंट के थ्रू हम कस्टमर को अपने बिजनेस की तरफ खींचते हैं. हम एडवर्टीजमेंट को बहुत ही क्रिएटिव बनाते हैं. दीज एडवर्टीजमेंट स्टिमुलेट द कस्टमर टू कम एट लीस्ट वंस एंड परचेज द प्रोडक्ट. From the above definition, we can say that there are three main features of advertisement. Number one, it is always in paid form, my dear friends. You have to pay a lot of cost to make an advertisement and to show that advertisement to the general public. Impersonal, as I told you, there is no face contact between customer and advertisement. It creates a monologue and not a dialogue. Monologue means ये one तरफा एक तरफ डायलॉग है, इसमें डायलॉग नहीं होता है. मतलब आधा व्यूज आर नॉट एक्सप्रेस्ड बिटवीन टू पीपल. एंड आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर, एडवर्टीजमेंट इज गिवन बाय एन आइडेंटिफाइड कंपनी और फर्म और एन इंडिविजुअल. तो दीज आर थ्री मेन फीचर्स और ऑफ द एडवर्टीजमेंट. नाउ फीचर्स एडवर्टीजमेंट और एडवांटेज और मेरिट्स. नंबर वन, रीच. With the help of advertisement, we can reach to a large customer, a large group, in a large area. Not only in India, even we can go abroad by the medium of TV, radio, digital advertisement nowadays, etc. Next is choice. There is a wide variety of media available for a businessman. He can go for video, audio, visual audio, print media. Under each category, large variety is available. For example, in print media, we can select magazine, newspaper, banner, pamphlets, etc. So, another feature of advertisement is we have a lot of choice how we can make our advertisement. Legitimacy. What is the meaning of legitimacy? When we make an advertisement and show it to the general public or a common man, the features of the product is told to the customer, and only those things are told to the customer which are available in that product. A customer can have faith on advertisement. Advertisement can be later on used as a legal proof because it is never tried to pass false information to the customer. That's why we say it's a legitimacy. It has legitimacy. Expressiveness. Advertisement provides a platform where we can express our ideas in detail by drawing a picture, by making a video, by color, by music, by dance. हम अपने आप को एडवर्टीजमेंट के थ्रू अच्छी तरह से अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में आइडियाज़ को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. इट प्रोवाइड्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू द मार्केटियर, फॉर द कस्टमर. दैट इज़ अनदर फीचर ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट, एक्सप्रेसिवनेस. Economy means we have to spend less. Though people say that advertisement increase the cost of the product, but when we do advertisement as a large scale, though advertisement includes wider range of expense, but these promotional techniques will increase the demand of the product in the market. And when our demand will increase, when more customer will be there, then the advertisement amount distributed among the production or per unit advertisement cost comes a very low level. That's why we say economical. And enhancing customer satisfaction and confidence. Customer feel more assured about the quality and feel more comfortable if sponsor claims this benefit in advertisement. So these were some features or benefits of advertisement. So this was first technique in promotion mix, that is advertisement. Thank you.